Hello, welcome to the Nortel podcast. I am Salman Abidi with Nortel's IMS product marketing team. As most of you know, Nortel's IP multimedia subsystem, or IMS solution, delivers integrated, transparent multimedia applications such as voice, data, video, and messaging across multiple access types and devices. Today, we are excited to talk with you about one of the primary IMS enablers, Presence. I'm here today with Simon Brown, Global VP Customer Operations from Followap, a leading provider of presence and instant message solutions. Nortel has selected Followap's Presence technology to deliver IMS-based services across wireline and wireless networks. Before we move too far, let's provide an overview of Presence and why this has been dubbed as one of the hottest IMS applications in 2006. Simon, why don't you provide us with an overview of Presence?
Thanks, Salman. Presence indicates in real time a person's availability and ability to communicate. For example, I am able to talk, I'm in a meeting, I'm able to send and receive messages, but not to talk. Presence also can indicate the type of device that you are using. For example, a mobile phone, wireline phone, PC, or whatever. Presence therefore enhances communication process. It makes it easier to communicate because you can select the most appropriate form of communication before you actually make the call. Presence is also essential for new applications and services. So, for example, mobile instant messaging, fixed mobile converged services, voice over IP, entertainment services such as online mobile gaming, all require Presence to work.
Simon, these are some very exciting facts. So let's talk about the service provider value. First of all, it's one-stop shopping. The solution is pre-integrated with Nortel's IMS solution. So for a customer, Nortel will engineer, furnish, install, and support a completely integrated product. It's also about simplifying user experience through common contacts between IMS applications. What that means that your status will be communicated regardless of application you're using, as it will be sourced from one single database. And of course, standards compliance ensures interoperability with other network elements. So Simon, can you tell us what this would mean for the end user?
Yeah, sure. With Presence, people will be able to communicate in a manner which is both more sophisticated and also more efficient, since the users can select the most appropriate way of communicating before they actually make a call. They will be able to decide whether they can use a voice call, video call, instant messaging, or text, all based on the status of the person they're trying to connect to. In addition, a wide range of advanced services will also be available. So, for example, fixed mobile services, you might have one phone number and be connected either via PC, via your mobile phone, or via a fixed phone. Also, entertainment services will be available. Online mobile gaming is one example, but there are many more.
Thanks, Simon. So let's talk a little bit about how Followap's Presence solution works into Nortel's IMS solution. Just like Nortel IMS, Followap's Presence solution is applicable across wireline and wireless networks. This enables presence and availability information to be shared in both directions between wireline and wireless subscribers. So talking about openness and interoperability, Followap has successfully integrated its iFollow Presence platform, which is also known as iFollow PSP, into a number of 3GPP compliant IMS platforms. It is standard compliant, yet will interoperate with proprietary IM. This solution will be fully integrated and tested in Nortel's IMS lab. Nortel chose Followap for Presence services based on an extensive experience. Currently, they're deployed in 25 Tier 1 service providers with a total user base of more than 200 million users. At this point, I want to turn it over to Simon to talk more about Followap and the specific solution.
Yes, Followap has been around since 1999. We're a market leader in each of our three business areas as a technology provider, and that's Presence, mobile instant messaging, and also interconnect. And here we talk specifically about instant messaging interconnect. We design all our technologies to meet industry standards, so we work closely with industry bodies such as the GSMA, OMA, IETF, and 3GPP. We actually chose to work with Nortel because Nortel is an industry-leading provider of voice over IP and IMS technology. Our strategy is to align ourselves with business leaders who share the same vision and commitment as us to deliver value-added services. In this sense, we both, Nortel and Followap, embrace standards, so technology integration was actually easy. Presence is a very exciting area to be involved with right now, and we are looking forward to continued success and cooperation with Nortel.
Thanks, Simon. You're right. Exciting is the right word to use for this space. We hope that you found this podcast beneficial and have learned about Nortel's direction and strategy of building on its open solution leadership. Working with companies such as Followap is just an example of how we are integrating and complementing our solutions with industry leaders. For more information on Nortel's IMS solution, visit us at nortel.com/IMS. If you have any questions about this podcast, please send an email to podcast@nortel.com. Thank you.